The golden opportunity of AI agents. So in this video, we're going to be talking about why AI agents are a big deal right now. So as you can see on Google Trends, this topic is exploding. AI agents, AI workflows. Take a look, and it's crazy because there are so many people searching for this because they really want to implement this into their business, and people are trying to learn to stay ahead of the curve. Now, why are AI agents a big deal right now? AI agents are like robot helpers who you can hire online. A couple of years ago, they didn't exist. This stuff was science fiction, right? But now, slowly but surely, everybody's talking about AI. It's like being one of the first people to build an app or make YouTube videos. We're super early into this, and the technology, I've seen it improve in front of my eyes over the last couple of weeks and months. So, if you're into this, I highly suggest subscribing to the channel because we're going to be uploading a lot of content about AI and growth. So, what is an AI agent? An AI agent is like a smart robot that works on the computer and it never gets tired. It's working 24/7, no lunch breaks. There's a few different things it could do. For example, answer emails, book meetings, talk to customers. It could even write text for you. And it could write text if you use automations. It could write texts at a particular time during the day whenever you want. All you have to do is give it its direction. So it's that simple. Think of it as hiring someone who can work 24/7 but for significantly cheaper than an employee or a customer service rep. How do these AI agents actually work? Think of the agent like a brain with arms. The brain is the AI like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. The arms are tools like calendars, emails, and websites. You give the agent a simple job and it figures out how to do it. For example, you tell it, help me book a meeting. It checks your calendars, sends an email, and puts the meeting in your schedule. All this is happening by itself. All you have to do is ask it, help me book a meeting. Now, you can program it to do that. You could program it to do SEO for you. You could program it to do a lot of different tasks. And on this channel, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be building tools in public and teaching people how to use tools like N8N, Zapier to come up with these different automations that you could either sell or use in your own business. So I'm sure you guys have heard of automations from the past, but think of old automations like machines on train tracks. They can only go one way. If you change something, they end up breaking. But AI agents are different. They're not the same thing. It's not the same concept. AI agents are significantly smarter, like a GPS that finds a new route if there's traffic or an accident ahead. It's very, very fascinating how these tools actually work. They use the brain of ChatGPT to figure out what are the better steps to take. And obviously, that doesn't mean that it could just think for itself and you have no control. Obviously, you take time and you consult with someone who knows how to build these. They could then take all the information you give them, program it, some of these agents, and that's it. You have your AI agent. Whatever task you want, it could most likely be automated. So this is a really good opportunity if you're a business looking to grow your business and you don't want to put on more costs for hiring people. This could be a game changer for you. So, why should you care about AI agents? I'm going to give you 6 simple reasons why this could be so worth it for you. Number 1, you can save time and money. You do less work and pay way less. Imagine paying a full-time employee versus paying $5,000 a year for one of these agents. It could go even cheaper than that. Number 2, the AI grows with you. The AI agent can actually have a memory of its own and grow with you. It could do the job of 5 different people: marketing, attending customer service. It could do a few different things. So the agent essentially grows with your business. As the business grows, the AI grows, it learns. Number 3, it's super flexible. you can easily implement changes. Let's say you have a policy change in your business, or you have a new product on the line. You can easily add that product to the AI agent in just a few clicks. It's really not that hard. Number four. Now, I don't really like this too much, but I thought I'd put it on here. It could think for you. It makes smart choices. And the way I would use this feature is I wouldn't let it fully think for me. I still think you should be using your own brain for a lot of stuff, but maybe it could help you make the right decision based on logical information. It's very easy to build. You can make one without coding. So a lot of times people have the impression that coming up with one of these agents or anything automation related is going to be super long, but no, you can actually build one of these super simple, super quick. Number six, this is the future. Now, whether we like it or not, every business is going to be using these agents very soon. So if you're behind, your competition is going to blow you out of the water. Why? Because they have five, six of these agents running, and you have Margaret handling the phones. So it could really, really be a game changer. So where can you use these agents? You can use these agents for marketing purposes. You can have it write posts and emails for you. You could have it find leads for you and qualify leads for you. That's the other important thing. It can reply to comments. So if you have a Facebook page, an Instagram page, you can have this agent automatically respond to comments. One of the ways to grow on social media is to be engaging. And a lot of businesses, they actually don't bother replying to comments. So imagine you have an AI agent that automatically is responding to all these comments that people are leaving on your videos. How cool would that be? Client onboarding. You can also onboard clients fully automated with AI. You can send welcome emails. You can have a sequence. Every time somebody submits a form, the AI agent sends them a welcome email, collects more information, and schedules intro calls. So you can also use the AI agents for customer support. It can easily answer questions on chat or email. You can actually even have a voice AI model that talks to people over the phone, which is crazy. And these voice models actually sound very human. It's kind of scary. Now, again, like I said, that's just an element and it's a different conversation whether this is good or not for the human race. But if your competitors are using these AI agents to handle customer service calls and you just have one employee doing it, who wins at the end, right? And remember, the AI has perfect memory. It's connected to the database, which the customer most likely exists in. So it can easily answer all questions. It could solve all problems. Well, most problems. And the best thing is, even when you're sleeping, the AI is still running. If you get a call, let's say at 6 a.m., the call is going to get handled. Well, if you don't have that, then that's not happening. And if your competition is tight, then you need to kind of bring the best tools to the table. It's like it's like trying to, I don't know, I don't really have a good analogy for this. But, anyways, the point is, it's going to be used everywhere, so might as well get ahead of the curve, like I said. And you can also use it for different kind of projects, right? It could help you remind, it could be like a personal assistant to you. It could remind you of deadline or projects if you're in school. It could track your progress and it could help you stay on tasks, right? It could send you reminders throughout the day to do certain things. For example, take the dog out, throw the trash out. You can have all of these things automated, which is pretty damn neat because you don't even need a business necessarily to be using some of these agents, right? It could be used for consumers as well. So to summarize this video, all I'm going to say is the future of work isn't just AI. It's AI that works for you. So learn to use AI agents now, and you'll be 10 steps ahead of the competition. I could promise you that because people don't know exactly what this is, and there's definitely a learning curve when it comes to AI and AI agents, but it's not nearly as daunting or as hard as you may think. It's actually a very simple process. All you have to do is learn, or you could hire somebody like us to build solutions for you.